Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week 2 of our mobile development frameworks class, the second one. And I'm here to talk to you about my application, which is a Twitter um, streaming app that allows you to actually post to Twitter, pull from Twitter, and all of that. So without further ado, I will show you how it works. So let me just go ahead and run it. And right off the bat, you get this screen. There was a message that popped up saying, please wait while your tweets load, but let me see if I can get that to show up again. Yeah, it shows up for a split second. I'm not sure why it does that, but sometimes it shows up for longer and sometimes it just shows up for a couple seconds. But anyway, this is actually pulling from my feed. And as you can see, it's split up into different sections, different I don't know, different sections. So when you click on it, when you click on one of them, it'll actually bring you to a detail view. This isn't all that great looking right now, but hopefully it'll get better. Back to tweet list, and you can click on a different one, and it'll bring up a new one. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my wall goes. You can click on this button and it'll actually bring up a new tweet. So let me type in something, and then send it. And in just a second it should load it back up. If not, I'll have to hit refresh. Yeah, let me do that. So just give it a second. It should show up. There we go. There's something. And this is the detailed view. So there you have it. There's my application. Let me talk about the code a little bit. The code went pretty straightforward. I didn't have too much trouble with it. I was actually having trouble though with basically getting different layers of the JSON data. And I have a section here for educational and debugging purposes only that I was just using as proof of concept and going through my code and trying to get to that second layer. So I ended up having to use like 2 NS dictionaries to get 2 layers deep. So that's how I did it. I ended up going with basically the user, putting that into 1 NS dictionary, and then looking for the name of the nested portion of the JSON object. And that's what this is right here. So that's what that is. And this is all pulling information from Twitter for my disposal. This is actually posting a new tweet, which was pretty easy. Actually, I was not really expecting that to be too easy, but it was. This is for my table views, pretty much straightforward, using text and created at to be passed in. And let's see, more table view stuff. This is actually for selecting a certain item at a table view. And this is my on-click event. And I was having an issue with dismissing my my alert view once everything got loaded. And this little function right here actually takes care of that. It's an empty function, but it actually works. So can't complain there. So yeah, this project was actually pretty easy. I mean, it was easier than the first one for some odd reason. Maybe it was just the fact that I was getting back into Objective-C after being away from it for a while. But everything went pretty smooth. I was still coding right up to the very last moment though, and I think I left out 1 or 2 things, but hopefully overall the project is pretty satisfactory. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my project, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.